this quick how-to video, we're going to look at setting up a multi-compartment delivery. So we've got engine control, which is the first option on the first menu. To scroll through this menu, press the blue menu button until delivery is displayed. In the brackets here, we can see the product that OptiMate knows is currently in the line. When delivery is displayed, press the green OK button to proceed. The product we want to deliver is Kero. Press the green OK button. Now, a multi-compartment delivery can be done as a preset delivery. It can also be set up as a preset plus purge delivery and even a free delivery. In this case, we wish to set it up as a preset delivery. When preset is displayed, press the green OK button. Here we can set the preset volume. So the thousandths increment is currently flashing. If we want to change this selection to the hundredths, we press the blue selection button. And to change this to the volume that we wish to deliver, we want to modify that zero using the red modification button until we see the desired volume displayed. Once we're happy with the volume that we've got displayed there, press the green validation button to accept. OptiMate will only offer us compartments marked with the product that we wish to deliver. So if we want to change the compartment we want to deliver from, we can press the blue selection button. We don't have Kero in compartment 2, so OptiMate has skipped compartment 2, won't offer us that compartment. Once we've got to the last compartment containing the product that we wish to deliver, press the blue selection button once more and we'll see multi-compartment scheduling. If we press the green OK button on multi-compartment scheduling, we can now set up the order in which we wish to deliver the product from. So we've got compartment 1 and compartment 3 with the zeros and compartment 2 with the dash, because this does not contain the product that we wish to deliver. So if we want to change to compartment 3 first, press the blue selection button until compartment 3 is flashing. Once the zero above compartment 3 is flashing, using the red modification button, we can change this to a 1. So we're saying that we want to deliver from compartment 3 first, to then move across again back to compartment 1, press the red modification button there. That changes the 0 to a 2. So we're saying we want to deliver from compartment 3 first. If and when that compartment empties, we want to continue the delivery from compartment 1. We can set that up in any order we wish, but I'm happy for this that we're going to empty compartment 3 first and move on to compartment 1 second. Once we're happy with the order, we press the green OK button, scheduling OK, press the green OK button to accept, and then we can start the delivery here, start high flow, press the green button, and that delivery will begin. Once the first compartment we're delivering from runs empty, OptiMate will display on the screen compartment 3 empty. What will happen now is compartment 3 will close, compartment 1 will open, and once OptiMate is happy that that compartment is open, the delivery will continue until the preset volume is achieved. Once the preset volume is achieved, the OptiMate will display end delivery. We press the green OK button to accept that. Delivery finished, OK. Stop the engine. You can press the green button to stop the engine or the red clear button to leave the engine running. Delivery ticket, press the green OK button there to print that ticket. Once that ticket is printed, OptiMate will return to engine control, which is the first option on the first menu.